Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the map view in the Here We Go application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on this button at the right side of the page, this two bracket button. And here you can see there are two options you can choose from. So you can set the map view to satellite mode or default mode. So just click on the one that you want to use, and as you can see, it already changed. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.